How to request state statutes for law review citation checking. In this video, you will learn how to find a section of a state statute for a law journal. We will use a Vermont state statute as an example. State session laws will not be covered in this video. For help finding state session laws, go to guides.library.harvard.edu/law/statutes. The Blue Book lists the names and citation forms for each state's codes in Table 1.3. If you have access to Harvard Law School Library, go to the fourth floor reading room and look for the print volume on the shelf. Remember that for subciting a statute, you may have to check the pocket parts. Pocket parts are supplemental notices of updates to the statutes. Usually, pocket parts are multiple pages stapled together and stored in the pocket in the back cover of the print book. Note the publication dates of the volume and the most recent supplements. You should also check in Westlaw or LexisNexis to make sure there aren't any very recent changes that might not have made it into print yet. If you are looking for a historical, not current version of a state statute, look in Hein Online. If you do not have access to Langdell or the version you are looking for is not on the shelf or on Hein Online, you will need to order a copy through Scan and Deliver.
For this video, you will be using the Vermont State Statutes Annotated, Title 13, Section 2606, published in 2019 as an example. If you are subciting, your citation might look something like this in the footnotes. To begin, go to the Research Guide Statutes, U.S. and State Codes at guides.library.harvard.edu/law/statutes. Scroll down to the section Locating Statutes at HLSL. Then click on the link to Hollis and Hein links to state statutes. You will need to open the file with Google Sheets. This spreadsheet is organized by state. For our Vermont example, we will scroll to Vermont and click on the Hollis link for the Vermont Statutes Annotated. This link will redirect you to the current version of the state statute in Hollis. Scroll down to the Get It section and click on Scan and Deliver Book Chapter. You may be asked to sign in using your Harvard key. Once you are signed in, the page will show a Scan and Deliver Book Chapter Request form. In the Book Chapter Request form, you will need to erase some of the auto-filled text and manually enter the correct information. We will be using the same example of a Vermont state statute published in 2019. For book title, use the full name of the statutory compilation, in our case, Vermont Statutes Annotated. For chapter title, use the name of the statutory section, which you can get from Westlaw or Lexis, and the title or subject code and section. If you are missing the name of the statutory section, you can use your citation to search in Westlaw or Lexis. Although the Westlaw and Lexis versions may not be acceptable for subciting, the names of the statutory sections are the same as the official version. For chapter title, enter the full name of the statutory section. For year, replace the year with the year in your citation, in our example 2019. If you want the current version, type current. For edition, type the year of the citation, or if you want the most recent version, type current version : current. For pages to be scanned, use the title or code subject and section, in our case Title 13, Section 2606. For notes, include a note that indicates what you want and be as specific as possible. Something like, please send the 2019 edition of VSA Title 13, Section 2606, plus the relevant sections of any pocket parts or supplements. For clarification, please contact research@law.harvard.edu. When you have finished filling out the form, click Submit Request. When your request has been completed, you will receive an email from ILL with a scan of the statute. If you are having trouble finding a statute, contact your journal liaison, email us at research@law.harvard.edu, or find other ways to contact us on the Law Library's website at asklib.law.harvard.edu.